Hey guys, Lauren here from IMLRose.com. In this video, we are going to talk about prop firms and which one is essentially the best. So basically, a lot of people are, getting funded from prop firms. And it's so funny because when I first started trading, it was like, a prop firm? Oh, that sounds like a scam. Oh, that's weird. Like, what the hell is that? You know what I'm saying? Like, I had no idea what it was. And so recently, a lot more companies have been, popping up and things like that. So I decided to, do more research. Of course, FTMO is the one that most people know about. I've been doing some research and just looking at different ones. So breathe. Okay, so in this video, we are going to compare, different prop firms, and that way you can decide which one will be the best for you. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get funded, how much it costs to get funded, the challenge period if you decide to do a challenge, and which firms actually fund you like without without going through a challenge. Most of the challenges are like 30 to 60 days. So you got to kind of like prove yourself and things like that. But if you, know how to trade and you just want, that extra little boost, or if you, trade demo and you be killing your demo and you're like, hey, then look into it, do your research, see which one is best for you, because what works good for one person might not work good for somebody else, but it's definitely worth taking a look into. And let's go into my computer. Okay, y'all, so let's get right into it. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing, hold up, let me go back up to the top. I'm going to be comparing funding talent, FTMO, everyone knows about that one, and Audacity, right? So when we come to funding talent, I am seeing that a lot of people are leaning more towards this company. But basically, when you go to the website, you'll see it says how it works. Okay, sign up, start trading, get paid. All right, so this one, I'm sure you guys have seen, the videos where people are getting paid out and things like that. So that's a plus. When you see a lot of videos of people like, hey, this is how much money I made and this is the proof, then it's like, all right, cool. They have a dual trading model. So basically they have a flex trading model and a challenge, and I'll definitely go through that. And then they have high rewards. That's what they say, right? And their Trustpilot, 672 reviews. Go through their Trustpilot, see the good reviews, see the bad reviews, see if the good reviews outweigh the bad for you, because what happens is somebody might say, oh, this company did this or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But then they don't say like, oh, I didn't follow the rules. I didn't follow the rules, or, I was over 10% drawdown, right? So make sure when you read the results read the reviews, you see like what people are really saying. So they have Flex Classic, Flex Aggressive, and Challenge, right? Their minimum account size is 25,000. Then you have 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, and 300,000. Okay, so we're going to go over the minimum, which is 25,000. With the Flex Classic, it is $155, and then it's $75 a month, right? What I do like about funding talent is there is no evaluation or profit targets, right? And so you get paid 10% of all profits bi-weekly, and then you can build your funded earnings once per month. You can trade your own style, and you get a 75 profit split on the elite account. So I'm going to go over this more in detail in a few, right? And then you have the Flex Aggressive, same thing, except you get 20% of your funded earnings, but you do not get a cash payout. But if you do choose the Flex Aggressive, you will be able to access your elite account faster. On your elite account, you get 90% of your profits, right? And then you have your challenge. It's no monthly fees, no rules on trading style. You have 2 phases to go through. You'll trade with a larger capital, and then you get an 80 profit split on the elite account. So these 3 are your choices on the $25,000 account: Flex Classic, Flex Aggressive, and the Challenge account, right? So about the monthly fee, let me explain this. You do not pay $155 and then $75. You'll pay $155 and then the next month you'll be charged to $75. Compounding success: you'll use your funded earnings from your Flex Classic account to fund your Elite account. You don't have a mandatory challenge. So basically you can start off getting 10%. So the good thing about the whole challenge thing is if you are a good trader or a demo warrior, basically you don't have to go through the process of waiting 30 to 60 days to pass these challenges, and you can start trading right away and start making some money, right? You get access to education. They have prizes as far as like on the leaderboard. You don't have any targets, and then you have faster payouts. As far as the no targets, that's also a good thing, because I know that some people, when they trade, I know that sometimes, like, no matter how good of a trader you are, or if you are just beginning and you kind of just want to see what this whole prop firm thing is about, when you don't have to like hit certain targets in a certain amount of time, it's a completely different experience, a more stress-free trading experience, and a more enjoyable experience, right? They are in 120 countries, and they have a 4.8 star on Trustpilot, right? So if you have any questions, you can definitely ask them. And then you can also go to the frequently asked questions right here, and then you can go to the rules, right? You have to trade at least one trade for 12 days. On the Flex Classic model, you have a max daily drawdown of 5%, overall drawdown of 10%, right? When they calculate the drawdown, they are including all floating losses and profits. So that's when I say like risk management is key. A perfect risk management is 2 to 3%, but just know that this says 5%. So no matter how good, you're like, oh, I got a feeling, this trade is going to go to the moon, whatever, it doesn't matter. Like, you need to still use good risk management, because you don't want to sit up here and pay for this account and then you lose it because you get greedy. And that's what happens, and that's why they continue to make a lot of money, because people get greedy. So if you practice good risk management, and if you do not have my trading journal, link will be in the description, but that is going to help you stay within that 2, 3, 4% risk, right? So for example, basically, if you have the $10,000 account, the $100,000 account, your max daily loss will start at $5,000 per day. If you increase the account balance to $105,000 in a single day, your max loss for that specific day will be increased to $10,000. Once we reach 12 a.m. in the time zone of your broker, this will reset back to $5,000 regardless of the account balance. On the $25,000 account, your max daily loss is $1,250, okay? Any violation on the drawdown parameters on the Elite account will result in ineligibility for further withdrawals. So if you want to keep withdrawing money, you need to follow these rules, So if you want to put the house on it on your own account, do it on your own account, but don't do it on this account, all right? So then you have your consistency rules and your trading behavior, trading styles, your talent bonus. All right, so let's go to the talent bonus and the split. So because I know that's like what a lot of people are just like, look, what's up with the money, right? And you guys can go through all the other stuff like on your own time. So basically it says that your talent bonus is 10%. If you were trading on $100,000 account and you finish your trading month with $110,000, your talent bonus would be $1,000, because that's 10%. And then it just basically says when the trades need to be closed by. and you get paid on. You may continue trading your demo account. That's basically the account they give you to receive your talent bonus once, even if you access your elite account, right? So basically, what's the elite account? Like, how do you get that, right? This is how you get access. You can contribute up to 5% of your profit to your elite account at the end of each trading month. The amount that will be contributed to your funded earnings is calculated using the balance of your account at basically 11:59 of the day prior to the talent bonus to date, basically the end of your trading month, right? So on the $25,000 account, your max contribution is $12.50. To access your elite account in the Flex Classic account size for $25,000, you need to have at least $37.50 in that account, right? So remember, your max contribution each month is $12.50. It's going to take you at least 3 months to get to that $37.50. But the positive thing is you will still be getting 10% of your profits. So unlike, other challenges where it's like for the next 30 to 60 days, you're just going through the challenge. With this one, at least you're getting 10% of your profits, and then 5% is going to your funded earnings so you can get access to that elite account, right? Once you get access to your elite account, then that's when the profit split starts. So it's going to take about 3 months for you to get there. So if that's something that, you can do, then hey, funded talent might be where you need to be, right? So you definitely go through the website, see if this is something that you want to do. As far as the withdrawals and, as far as the withdrawals, you want to make sure that you do it at least a couple of days before the 1st and the 15th, right? So definitely go through all the frequently asked questions, go through the rules and see if funded talent is for you. The information will be in the description below, right? So let's go on to the next one, FTMO. So this is the one that most people know about, right? They do have a free trial and then they have the challenge. So if you are new to trading, definitely take the free trial. Step 1 with FTMO is the challenge. You will need to pass the evaluation process. Basically, this is going to advance you to the verification stage because you are proving your trading skills and discipline. The second step is the verification. So once you pass the verification stage, step number 3, you are an FTMO trader and you are earning real money and you receive 70% of your profits. Okay, trading period is 30 days, verification is 60 days, your minimum trading days are 10 days, your max daily loss is $12.50. So $12.50 is the same for FTMO and funding talent. It is $2.50 to do the FTMO challenge, and basically this $2.50, you just need to convert this to your currency. Their leverage is 1 to 100. I know with funding talent, you can either use Black Bear Markets or their in-house broker, 1 to 500 on the Flex account and 1 to 100 on the elite accounts, right? Let me hurry up, y'all, because my computer is about to die. You can trade Forex, commodities, indices, crypto, stocks, and bonds. So on funding talent, you are allowed to trade Forex, indices, metal, crypto. So that's really, really good. If you have watched any of my videos, you know that with the Titan app, when it comes to indices, y'all, check this out. All right, you can use MT4, MT5, or C Trader, and then you can also go through the FAQs, go through the testimonials. Like I said, 𝐹TMO is one of the most popular prop firms. There is a challenge and a verification. So if you are trying to make, you know, some kind of income, 𝐹TMO, it takes about 90 days. So basically all the evaluations are about 90 days until you can access like some real capital. The last one is Audacity Capital. These are the stages with Audacity Capital. You will start off with $15,000. The maximum lot size that you can use as far as like all the trades that you have open is a 0.5, which is $5 per pip. Your maximum drawdown limit is 10%. So Funding Talent and 𝐹TMO, I think they were both 5%. Your drawdown limit is 10%. You have a little leeway with this program. Now, your profit target to get to the next stage is 10%. Once you reach 10% on a $15,000 account, then you move to the second stage. And then the amount in the account will change as well, and your lot size will increase. With this one, you do have to use their recommended broker. So the account leverage is 1 to 5. It might not seem like a lot, but remember, you do have $15,000 in this account. So it's a big difference between, you know, you guys having $100, $500, and having a 1 to 500 leverage or 1 to 1,000 leverage than actually having, you know, $15,000, $30,000 in the account, right? Just remember that your maximum lot size on the $15,000 account is 0.5. You cannot trade indices until you get to the 4th stage, and then that is still subject to approval. With Funding Talent and 𝐹TMO, you will be able to trade. As far as like to trade over the weekend, you have to get approval for that. When I went through the interview, he basically said that you get 10% of your profits, right? So but right here, it says that you get a 50-50 profit split. So what happens is once you hit that 10% profit, then you get a 50-50 split from you hitting that 10% profit target, right? When you hit the 10% on the $15,000 account, you get $750 and they get $750, right? So then you go to the next stage. The profit target is 10% on the second stage, and that's $3,000 on a 30,000 account, right? $1,500. You get $1,500, they get $1,500. Then you move to the next stage, third stage. That is $6,000. So now you get $3,000, they get $3,000, right? You have to kind of decide which one of these firms are going to be the best for you. So you need to sit down, you need to see, okay, do I want to trade indices? Do I want to trade Forex? Do I want to trade crypto? Okay, how much money do I want to make? Do I want to take the challenge? Do I feel like I don't need to take the challenge? Do I want to spend, because Audacity is about $300 before you convert it, right? So it's I think it was like $298 or something like that. But remember, it's a little bit more because that's in pound, right? If you are in the US, you know what I'm saying? So you have to see, okay, do I want to spend $300 and something dollars? And I don't think they have a monthly fee. I'll put it up on the screen if they do. I don't remember. Go through all these websites, go through the rules, see which one of these are going to be best for you. What I did notice is on the Funding Talent website, you can actually go to the compare page, and they have they have the comparison between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have a comparison of 6 different prop firms, right? And 𝐹TMO is one of the prop firms that's on here. Audacity isn't on here, but just know that there are so many different firms that you can go through. But these are just the 3 that, you know, I feel like are like the most, I would say, popular or the most legit. The rise of prop firms, I honestly feel like if you are a new trader and you don't want to use your own money, I feel like this might be one of the best options. This is not investment advice. Definitely do your own research, but reach out to them. They all have like little chat bubbles at the bottom if you have any questions. The ones that I talked about in this video will be in the description below. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and everything that I talk about in all my videos is in the description. So before you ask, it is in the description. All right. Okay, guys. So if you are interested in any of these prop firms, the link to all of them will be in the description below. And if you decide to do it, let me know in the comments. Let me know which company you decide to go with, and just let me know, you know, your experience and things like that. So this is not saying that you should go out and, you know, over leverage in these accounts or anything like that. But hey, if you know how to trade, then hey, why not do it? You know, it's extra money that you can make. So the trading journal that I use is in the description below. It is on Amazon. It is $7.99. You need a trading journal. You need to be documenting your progress. You need to document what works, what doesn't work. And a trading journal is the best way to do that. So if you do not document your trades, if you do, you're going in blindly. You know what I'm saying? You're like, hey, throwing it out, and you don't know what's going to happen when it comes back. So you definitely need a trading journal so you can see what works, what doesn't work, and it is in the description. So like, comment, share this video, and like I said before, if you decide to use any of these prop firms, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be dropping new videos weekly, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, if you like that, it'll be in the description. If you like this, it'll be in the description. All right, y'all. So see you guys in my next video.